It's about an hour before the bike build, and we have all these bicycles to assemble. This year, a lot of bikes came assembled already. But we're over 600 bikes, so even if we have a large part that aren't assembled, that's still a lot of bikes. So these are here that need to be assembled. We have these out here that need to be assembled. And we still have 80 coming on a trailer right now. These over here were delivered assembled. But I have no faith in the guys that put them together, which wasn't us, it was a store that did it. So we'll go through all these, we'll check air in the tires, we'll check everything's nice and tight and safe. And we'll do the same for these after we build them. Christmas Bikes 2024. Bike build assembly night is underway. More boxes are arriving. We got boxes in there. We got boxes here. Just getting started. Gonna be a ton of bikes assembled here in just a little bit. Got the lights gonna go up right now.
Because what would happen was we would do it, and then everything would be moved out, and then a month and a half later, it would be back to school.
Look at it. It's a push bike. I just built one. It's not a push bike. It has a frame. Okay, but it's like a half push bike. It's a taller like bike. A Strider. No, there's a full pedal on it. Okay, but it's crazy.